But they are just now admitting this. That's semi what it's like. A little bit, something like that. Almost, not quite though. It's maps. I just ain't have no intention on pulling no maps up today in class. But I've showed the maps before in old lectures. So you all know the map I'm talking about anyway. But we sit in the middle. All right? We sit in the middle. So if you know the true ancient shape, that's the secret of the clock. The secret of the clock is it's the shape of the realm. The actual clock, okay? We literally sit in the middle like that. You know what I'm saying? And we have ancestors and, well, I wouldn't say ancestors, but well, you can call them ancestors too because, you know, they've been around too for a minute. But we have brothers and sisters, which is, I like to use that word better, that are on the other side of those ice walls. And these is the same ice walls that Admiral Byrd described in his little flight when he seen what he seen. But yeah, we sit in the middle though. So it's just ironic that this fifth ocean has anything to do with Antarctica. And here we go, right here. Perfect. It surely does. So here we go, right here. Boom. This is how it look. But this us in the middle. We in the middle, first ring. And then we have more brothers and sisters that live on this land. You see these lands? They live there. But they stuck in between this ring of ice where we at and that ring of ice. And guess what? It's more of these reptilians on that side that enslave them as well, like we are enslaved. And then on the outskirts of that, we have more brothers and sisters. This is a fact. All right, that's how our realm is set up. So they didn't just divide us amongst ourselves. You see what I'm saying? They divided us literally from other brothers and sisters. Look, here we go right here. That's a good map right there. There we go. That's better. That's us in the middle. That's our land. Then we got brothers and sisters on this land, and they stuck in that ice ring. Then we got brothers and sisters on this land. You see it? All out here, and they surrounded by ice wall. And that's what they did to our realm. Okay? So when they talking about this fifth ocean has anything to do with Antarctica, that's because these ice walls, these rings are starting to melt down because the Kundalini energy is rising on the planet. So now what's happening, what you're seeing is you seeing more water flow in from all this. Look at all this water around us on the outside of that. That's flowing in now. And then the oceans are being drained, okay? So you have a lot of our ancestors that are back, and they deep down in the oceans, draining the oceans. They going deeper down there, getting all the stuff about the oceans because they have been using all type of magic on this realm, not just on the surface, deep down in the ocean too. So what's happened is not that the Nerubians are, like I keep talking about the Nerubians because they are playing a big part in this war right now. Not that the Nerubians are back and they cleaning up the atmosphere, they helping cleaning up the oceans too. And the ocean herself, which is the planet, okay? Remember, the ocean is our is the ancestors of Titan. So the planet herself, for example, the planet herself is rising, okay? So it is certain bodies that's not our ancestor ocean, all right, that these elites are not talking about because they're not telling you about the aquatic families, the different aquatic families, all right? The different aquatic families, which ocean happens to be a member of. Okay, so you got all these other different bodies of water that's starting to rush into the planet, and new bodies of water that was trapped, fresh bodies of water that was trapped, all right, that are also different aquatic beings. You also have portals opening up in the oceans right now because this is another way that different ancestors or different extraterrestrial races that are on our side are coming back to help fight in this war. You have all this going on right now, all right? You also have them trying to burn their
gods and goddesses of the planet God. Peace, meaning positive energy, always creates elevation. Peace to all the high vibration human beings. Peace to the ancestors for working through me. If you wish to see this full video, please head over to our official online website, www.theuci.online, and click on the video tab. Also, you can click, the shortcut to this video is to click the link below. It will be in the pinned comment in the comment section below. You can click the link and it will take you directly to this video so that you can watch this full video. Please be sure to continue to spread the message via social media. Use the hashtags on TikTok, Rashad Jamal, and hashtag free Rashad Jamal. Be sure to continue. Thank you for everyone that's donating to the university and for those who are subscribing to the online website. And to purchase official crystals, please visit the website as well. I love you all. I'll be home soon. Now we rise. I leave as I come. Ashe.